These are a few of my favorite beginner-friendly park roller skating tricks.
We're gonna start off strong before we do any new tricks and do just a basic plate stall, where you're gonna land both feet on the coping in the middle of your plate. Next is a box stall. You're gonna land one foot on the coping in a plate stall and land the second foot horizontal, both trucks on the coping toe out. Sole stall, 1 foot plate stall, and second foot on the coping landing horizontally toe in, both trucks on the coping. Flamingo stall, you're gonna land 1 foot in a plate stall, grab the outside of your other skate with the arm on the same side. For a nose grab stall, you're gonna plate stall on 1 foot and with the opposite hand reach across and grab the toe of your other skate. For a seatbelt stall, you're gonna plate stall on 1 foot and reach across again with the opposite hand to the outside of your foot and grab. For a Maryland stall, you're gonna plate stall on 1 foot and grab behind you, opposite foot to opposite heel. This next one is a 1 foot plate stall again, and then you kick your other foot out in front of you. If you do it more diagonally with a little more flair, it's a can-can stall. Like the dance move.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow along for more.